Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. This is your grammar class, and my today's topic is chapter 12, present continuous tense. In this chapter, we will learn about what it means and what are their sentence structures. Let's start with present progressive. Present progressive is also known as present continuous, calls attention to the continuing nature of an act, event, or condition. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस हमें किसी एक्ट, इवेंट या कंडीशन की एक कॉन्टिन्यूइंग नेचर को बताता है, मीन्स उस टाइम को बताता है जब वो काम हो रहा है। इसका सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर क्या होगा? सब्जेक्ट प्लस इज एम आर प्लस वर्ब्स फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस रिफ्लेक्ट करता है एक्टिविटी इन प्रोग्रेस को, लाइक आई एम वॉचिंग टेलीविजन। इट ऑल्सो consider the verbs of perception, like he is feeling sad, he is suffering from fever as well. Next is when do we use the present continuous? हम present continuous tense को कब कब use करते हैं? We use for an action happenings right now at the moment of speaking. Present continuous tense को उस टाइम पे यूज़ किया जाता है जब हम उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं और वो काम हो रहा है, लाइक आई एम टीचिंग एन इंग्लिश लेसन, यू आर वॉचिंग अ वीडियो एंड सो ऑन. We can use present continuous tense to talk about something that is happening around the time of speaking. जब वो काम हो रहा था, जब हम उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं या उसके बारे में बात की जा रही है, बट नॉट नेसेसरली एट दिस एग्जैक्ट मोमेंट. लेकिन ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि इस मोमेंट पे भी वो काम अभी हो रहा है. Like they are staying at a local hotel because the roof of their house was damaged during the storm. Are staying, present continuous tense. हम बात कर रहे हैं कि वो एक लोकल होटल में, क्योंकि उनके घर की जो रूफ थी डैमेज हो गई थी, वो उसमें स्टे कर रहे हैं जब स्टॉर्म आया था. ये एक टेम्पररी सिचुएशन है. Okay, so are staying is a present continuous tense which is saying something about what is happening around the time of speaking, लेकिन अभी वो काम नहीं हो रहा है at the exact moment. Next is present continuous tense. इसमें हम डिस्कस करेंगे अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस को, नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस को और क्वेश्चन सेंटेंसेस को, हाउ टू फॉर्म देम एंड व्हाट आर देयर सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इन अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर क्या होगा? सब्जेक्ट प्लस बी प्लस प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट क्या है? लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट. एंडी इज वॉशिंग द कार. एंडी इज अ सब्जेक्ट. इज द बी फॉर्म. प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल, वॉशिंग, ऑब्जेक्ट इज द कार here. So is washing is a present continuous tense. Next is how to conjugating the present continuous tense in affirmative sentences. We will use am with I, are with you, is with he or she, and are with we or they. Then the sentences will be I am drinking water, you are drinking water, he or she is drinking water, we are drinking water, they are drinking water. Next is in negative sentences how to form the present continuous tense. First of all, subject, then be, not, present participle plus object. Look at the example to understand it well. I am not talking to Hannah. I is a subject, am is a form of be, not, talking, present participle, object is Hannah. I am not talking to Hannah. In this sentence, am not talking is a present continuous tense. Next is same as we discussed before, just have to add note here. I am not drinking water, you are not drinking water, we or they are not drinking water. Next is in interrogative sentences, how do we form the present continuous tense? The sentence structure will be plus subject plus present participle plus object. Are you doing a presentation? In this sentence, are is a form of be and doing is a present participle. It is also showing the present continuous tense in interrogative sentences. Now, in interrogative sentences, The examples are, am I drinking water? Are you drinking water? Is he or she is drinking water, and so on. Now interrogative sentences starting with WH. Then the sentence structure will be WH word plus is MR plus subject plus verb plus other words. For example, what are the farmers doing in the field? Where is he going this time? WH किसके लिए आया? What, where, who, when and so on. Next is interrogative negative. We just have to add not in the same sentence structure as we discussed before for interrogative sentences. Is MR plus subject plus not plus verb plus other words. Am I not playing football? Are we not playing football? And so on. Okay students, it's done with your chapter. Let's do on page number 80 and 81. In part B, you have to fill ups with correct form of given verbs. I dash to school by bus every day, but today I dash to school on foot. I go to school by bus every day, but today I am going to school on foot. Chunnu dash food result in the examination. Chunnu is expecting food result in the examination. We generally visit our grandparents during the summer holidays, but this time we dash them in winter holiday. We are visiting. In part C, you have to rewrite the following after correcting mistakes, if any. Do you understanding me? Do you understand me? My teacher is thinking I am lazy. My teacher thinks I am lazy. I stay in hostel till the end of this month. I am staying in hotel till the end of this month. Next is in part F, you have to make the following negative in present continuous tense. My mother is not feeding my sister. My father is not taking medicines. The passengers are not waiting for the bus. The strike is not going on now. In part G, you have to change into negative and interrogative sentences. The peon is ringing the bell. The peon is not ringing the bell, it's a negative form. Is the peon ringing the bell? Interrogative sentence. They are going to school. They are not going to school. Negative. Are they going to school? Interrogative. Next is you are quarreling with your friend. You are not quarreling with your friend. Do you quarreling with your friend? It's an interrogative sentence. In part H, you have to frame the questions of the following answers. आपको answers दिए गए हैं, आपको question बनाने हैं. I am cutting a rope. What are you cutting? Yes, I am cutting a rope. Are you cutting a rope? She is talking to her teacher. Whom is she talking to? Yes, she is talking to her teacher. Is she talking to her teacher? In part J, you have to change into present continuous tense the following sentences. I read newspaper while sipping a cup of coffee. I am reading newspaper while sipping a cup of coffee. You sing quite well. You are singing quite well. Next is your homework time. Do your remaining parts of B, C, F, G, H and J in your grammar book on page numbers 80, 81, 83, 84, 85, 87 in your grammar book very neatly. Thank you. Have a great day.